You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing brand names that many mispronounce, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you like learning Adobe Reader. Adobe. Stress on the second syllable of Adobe Reader. And now you know. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting names that many get confused by. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.